I'm going to show you how to create the flame stitch, which makes this really nice flower type stitch. I've started by just single crocheting a few rows so that I have something to work into. The flame stitch is created with a base row and then the flame on top of it. So for the base row, what you'll want to do is single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, skip 1, and single crochet in the next stitch. And then chain 3, skip 3, and single crochet in the next stitch. So that's the base of the flame stitch. I'm going to do one more so that I've got 2 flame stitches next to each other. So I'm going to chain 3, skip 3, single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, and single crochet. All right, and now what's going to happen is I'm going to be working into the chain 3 spaces that are above the skip 1. And I'm also going to be working into this center single crochet. Okay, so to start out, I am going to chain 1. I'm going to single crochet into that first single crochet. I'm skipping these 3 chains and the single crochet and working into the chain 3 that's above the skip 1. And I'm going to do a double crochet cluster. So I'm yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then I'm going to pull through all 3. And then I'm going to chain 3. Let me say that again. Yarn over, insert my hook into that chain 3 space, yarn over and pull through. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 of them. Now I've got 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through, and I've got 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 of them, and now I've got 3 left. Yarn over and pull through those 3. I'm going to do this until I have 5 clusters in this chain 3 space. All right. Okay, so now I have my 5 clusters with a chain 3 between each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm just going to chain 1, and then I will single crochet into, oops, single crochet into my single crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1, and I will repeat the same thing in the chain 3 space that's above the single crochet. And I'm skipping the chain 3 and the single crochet here. All right, and now you can see that I have 5 clusters in this chain 3 space as well. I think that the most common error I make when doing this row is accidentally only doing 4 clusters, and that's going to make a problem for the next row. So always count and make sure that you have 5 clusters in your chain 3 space. So I'm going to chain 1 and then skip the 3 chains and work into the single crochet. And I single crocheted there. And now I'm going to do my next row. Okay, so I'm going to chain 7, and that chain 7 counts as my treble crochet and chain 3. All right, and now I'm turning my work, and what I'm going to be doing here is working into these top 2 chain 3s of the flame, and I'm also going to be working into this middle single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to skip that first chain 3 between the clusters and work into the second chain 3 between the clusters. All I'm doing there is a single crochet. Then I'm going to chain 3 and work into the next chain 3 space between the clusters, and I'm single crocheting there. Now I have just created my next chain 3 space to put my clusters in for the next row. Next I chain 3, and I'm going to treble into that single crochet space here between my flames or clusters. So I'm going to wrap my yarn twice, insert my hook into the single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop. I've got 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and now I've created my next foundation to create that flame stitch on. Chain 3, single crochet in the second chain 3 space between clusters, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, skipping the last chain 3 space, I'm going to chain 3, and then I will treble into the last single crochet. Okay, I'll do another row and show you what it looks like. All right, now when I get to the end of my row and I'm looking at my chain 7, I chain 1, and then I'm going to work into the 4th chain so that I get my single crochet there. Okay, ta-da! And if you want to see what they look like all together, there you go. All right, hopefully that was helpful.